How good can bad singing sound with autotune?
I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
My friend Nash is going to show us how to tune these vocals.
Ooh, I'm drowning.
Import your vocal into auto-tune graph mode.
Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I...
Use the pen tool to draw in your melody by hand, like this.
I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light.
Then change your retune speed for a more or less natural sounding effect.
No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
Then duplicate your vocal and change the notes to create custom harmonies and octave layers.
In the night,
Let's hear the finished vocals before and after.
I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light.
And autotune.
No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said,